All right, folks. Well, there you go. We slapped together the the rear end assembly, and that's what we got. It's we got to get the spindles on here before we can start welding the rear end together. But we're gonna need a couple locking collars too. You get the idea. I think instead of using that stepped bushing, this deal here, I have some threaded bungs out in the trailer that are thick enough where I can drill the threaded bit out for the 3/8 spindle bolt, the kingpin, and they'll fit right in here, and I can just weld them right in. That'll keep us from getting, because we don't have a lathe, from getting this shoulder on these recessed bushings out of concentricity, getting the hole off center, because the head of the drill press is loose. If you don't have your tools bolted down like a lathe or a Bridgeport, that's what you get. You get things walking around. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'll get out in the trailer tomorrow as soon as I get back from the gym, and we'll check out what we got. If not, then we'll hit up the hardware and see if we can find some type of stepped steel bushing that already fits. That'll work. I really don't want to do the machining like that, not with the front end parts. But there you go. The bearings are new, the axle's new, hubs are new, sprocket hub is new, brake rotor and rotor hub is new. Got some of those parts from Brother Ken. He got us the motor mount over here too for the Briggsy. I don't know if this is for the for a flathead or if it's for the animal. But Kenny gave me this as well. Gave me a bunch of parts and pieces, a bunch of wheels and tires and stuff, 5-inch stuff. So, Brother Ken, if he's not too full of himself, maybe we'll let him take it for a ride. But we're certainly not. We're not going to kiss up. But that's it, folks. Getting ready to head in for evening service. It's Sunday. Play around a little bit in the garage and try to keep the most important one in mind. Foremost in our minds. But that's it, folks. We're making a little progress. Like I said, tomorrow we'll get the spindles going, and we should have four wheels or four corners on this thing in the next couple of days, and then things will really start picking up. That's it. That's all we got for you. We'll talk to y'all later. Godspeed. Love you. We're praying for you.